He's trying to get it. You trying to get the light? Hmm? Hey. Look at that. Look at that.
It's a heart. I didn't get it.
Get it.
Thank you, Barrel, whatever the hell you are. You're a barrel.
It's on the roof. It's on the roof. Where'd it go? Where'd it go?
R1 or the R2 button, I don't remember which one it was. And it was spinning it like, is that a barrel roll? But it wasn't.
It wasn't?
No. A barrel roll is when you go like that.
Oh,
It's not when you spin it like that.
I've done those several times.
Barrel roll is like when you go like that.
Yeah.
I didn't know how to do
Always
that.
It's a loop. No, the barrel roll is, it's when you go sideways like this.
Yeah, no, but I was saying I just did the spinning thing where you just spin.
That's a flip.
Yeah.
You gotta
I didn't know
loop the loop.
I didn't know how to do a barrel roll.
Barrel roll.
I never knew how to do a barrel roll in Star Fox 64. So
And it always tells you to do barrel
roll.
roll.
And I hit the R button, and it wouldn't work.
And then,
Oh, they want you to do the spiral thing off the screen pretty much.
and I like shooting the bird guy
Yeah.
because he said, "Come on, guys, I'm on your side."
He was so gay.
I love it.
It was fun shooting.
Jared, you read VG Cats, right?
Huh?
Do you read VG Cats?
BG Cats?
Webcomic? I guess not. Never mind. I was gonna make a joke there. Never mind. You read VG Cats?
Once in a while. Not, I haven't read all of them.